Life is beautiful. Life is truly beautiful. So guys, I'm going to finally buy this one and let's see how it goes. So this is the tripod included and memory card. So let's try how this is. Setting the date and time. Maybe we just skip first. I just buy like for 3 minutes. I just went there. So my tips for buying is just you just research, do the research first in online before you go to the store and compare the prices, because some other shop here are way more expensive than the other shops. So zoning price there is the price there is 4,798, and the one I see in Fortress it's worth 4,680, but they give discount less than 300, so it's still 4,360. So I still get a much cheaper price from Broadway, which is only 3,980, and I'm so excited to use that later on. I will try it the next time I come back here in Mongkok. I'm going to try the newly babies that I get. So I will show you this one. This is the Canon PowerShot G7 Mark II. This is the most used camera vlogging every YouTuber have, and since I'm just starting my YouTube, I'm trying to have this for so long already. And so I will show you what it says in the back. Here is the lighting is Digi7 HD system, 1.0 type, 20.1 megapixel, and yeah, have Wi-Fi, have NFC. Lens, focal lens is 1.8 to 2.8. Actually, I know most of you watching YouTube now knows already the specific of this camera because everybody have this one. So I will show you now the inside one. I have actually opened this one, of course, when I buy this in the store. I go to the store in Broadway. So then this is how it looks like. So actually this is the camera. I'll show you later. What's inside of the box is this warranty club. Most of my cameras are from Canon. I have my DSLR from Canon also. So this is the instruction manual. I think I really need to read this one because I am not familiar with this kind of camera. This is the first time I have this, and it also included this 32 GB Ultra S BHE memory card. I have taken out this one. It's already inside the camera, but I just show you what's inside. So there's also a spare battery. So total is 2 batteries inside, and one charger. I'm actually charging the other battery just in case I will need to use this tomorrow, or for the testing. So this is like, I love this so much. And so this is the camera. At first in YouTube, I thought, when I'm watching YouTube, I thought the camera was like a little bit bigger like this. So when I saw this in actual in the store, it just looked like this. And yeah, it can flip here like that one, so it can show you. So this is the on here, never mind my. So it's like that now. You can flip it like that and can pull also like this, so you can tilt it into this way. And yeah, so well, I know everybody knows how to do all these things. And have this one here. Actually, I don't know how to use this, so I still need to read the instruction manual or watch online, to go search online to how to use this. So I just want you to know that I already have this one, and I'm so happy, and I feel I can do more with my videos. And I hope you will enjoy watching my videos because I already have better camera now. Before I was just only using my I'm still using my iPhone while I'm filming this one, but maybe on my next vlog I'm already using this baby, and I hope it will be good to me. So I got her the menu, info, set, quick set, ring function. I think this is the video. You have her the HDMI plug. This is the Wi-Fi. I don't know, I have to figure out this also. And let's try the menu. When I was in the store, I tried this one while walking in Mongkok, because I buy this in Mongkok, so the quality was like this. So bright here. So I zoom it in. Yeah, it's like that. Actually, it's nice, but I used to using big screen. So this is I tried on. See, this is my face there when I tried on to buy there. Yeah, you could just play swipe, swipe, swipe. Yeah, just like that. Swipe, just all swipe. And yeah, it's very comfortable, I guess. That's why so many YouTubers using this one. And I don't know, actually protect, this is there, album playback. Well, actually I don't know how to do the unboxing, because this is the first time I did an unboxing. When I have my Canon DSLR 700D, I wasn't doing YouTube, so this is the first time I tried unboxing. So I hope you guys still not boring while watching this one. Anyway, this one will be very useful to me. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and like my videos also. And I'm so excited to film with this one. I hope I will look beautiful on this camera. And yeah, thank you. Bye guys.